welcome back to my channel Healing with Heena. This is Dr. Heena, PG scholar in Aj Kolkata. A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all those who are celebrating. So, with blessings of Almighty, today we're going to start with our lecture series of practice of medicine. Today there will be first lecture at 8:30 p.m. and I would really like to thank you all for your response. This is first time I'm going to start paid lecture series. Taking lectures on YouTube have been common. It's been like 2 years now. I'm teaching on YouTube, and but this time I thought of, and I used to get so many DM. As you all know, that practice of medicine is a vast subject and a bit difficult for competitive exam, and there used to be a lot of questions from students, requests that teach more about practice of medicine, or more lectures on this subject. So I thought of starting a lecture series, a paid lecture series, I would say. Now paid because anything of free when we get, this is human tendency, we don't value it that much. So a new try, that we promise that we will give our best shot to this. So actually we wanted to keep the number of students limited, and that's why the registration time, okay, the time duration was very less, or we closed our registration a bit early. So for all of those who are still interested to join this lecture series, I would say that it will be better if you join this series itself, and the lecture which you missed, like the first one today we are going to have, you could have access to the recording of it. So if you are still interested to join this lecture series, please comment down below, or you can DM me on my Instagram account, or you can also mail me. My mail ID is given in the description. So again, thank you so much for your response, and stay connected, stay tuned for more such interesting videos, free as well as paid. So that is all. With all your support and blessings, we are starting today. So thank you so much. Stay connected, stay safe, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.